Algebra 2 EOC practice test number 22. Two students work on the same problem. Jamie and Taylor. Which statement is true? Jamie is right because the 5 in the numerator and the 5 in the denominator will simplify to 1. So this is what they're talking about. This and this. If it was 5 over 5 only, then that would be correct. Or if this 2 were also a 5, all 3 of those would reduce. But you can't reduce just part of a binomial with something on the top. So that is not a true statement. B part says Taylor is right because 1 times 2x plus 5 equals 5 times x plus 3. So they're saying this 1 times 2x plus 5 equals 5 times x plus 3. That's extremes over means or cross multiplication, and that is one method to solve. So that is correct. So that's probably your correct answer. Go ahead and check the others. It says Jamie is wrong because step 2 to step 3, she would have added x to both sides. So from step 2 to step 3, she would have added x to both sides. She wouldn't add x. You would have to subtract an x because to get that to cancel on the right side, you have to subtract it. So that step was actually done correctly. So that means that was not wrong in that step. And then D part says Taylor is wrong because steps 3 to 4, he should have divided both sides by -10. So from steps 3 to 4, you're trying to isolate the variable, which means you need to divide by the number next to the variable or the coefficient. So it was divided by 3. So that is correct. So when it says Taylor is wrong, that one is also not a correct statement. So number 22, the correct answer is B.